everybody, my name is JulieB. Welcome to my kitchen. It's been a while since we have done any cooking. So we're gonna make some holiday treats and I'm gonna bring y'all on for the ride. Excuse the mess in the background. Yeah. So anyway, this has been a hard week for me. Yes, I have on lipstick. Can you believe it? Yeah, I know. Lipstick, Julie? No. And it looks like that pink lipstick that old ladies wear. Ooh, what am I talking about? I'm old. Anyway, we're gonna make some treats. We're gonna make Nonnie's cran salsa. We are going to make fudge. And we're gonna make 3 different kinds of fudges. And then we are going to make cake pops. One of the fudges, well, two of the fudges I'm going to make sugar-free. We're going to do sugar-free and traditional cake pops. But we're going to make them into a ball. So anyway, I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we need, and then I will write all the recipes in the description. And yeah. Oh, I got to get one more thing out. The candy thermometer, the most important thing. A lot of people don't know. Here it is. This was my mom and dad's. I got it. I got the candy thermometer. I think I got it. Maybe? I don't know. Anyway, let me find a place to set y'all out for a minute so I can show y'all. Because it's going to take 2 hands. Okay. Okay. This is a candy thermometer. Y'all are kind of crooked because y'all are sitting on my utensils. Can you see right here? This is a candy thermometer. It has on your candy and your deep frying what the temperature should be. And this is what it looks like. And it's got your thermometer here. You can clip it onto the side of your pan when you're working. And yeah, this is what I've used for years. Normally I make fudge when it's really cold outside. Well, it's cold. It's, I think, in the 50s, but I need to get busy or I'm not going to get it done before Friday. Yeah, I have to have all this done before Friday. So I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we need. Okay, what we need is I'm going to do a couple of them low calorie so I can eat them. We're doing granulated sugar. We need butter, jet puff or marshmallows. You can use the miniature marshmallows if you want. Dark almond bark, vanilla coated almond bark, 0 sugar cake mix, traditional yellow cake mix, cream cheese. I got 2 of those. We need milk chocolate, butterscotch, and dark chocolate. Now for the salsa, what we're needing are green onions, cranberries, cilantro, and 2 jalapenos, and a, what do you want to call this, pulser? That's one down. How many more to go? We don't know. I think I'm gonna go ahead and make the cake for the cake pops. And then we'll make the fudge. I think that's the plan. All right, hang on. And my friends, that is our salsa.